Unsplash is one of the best places online to get free images to use in your projects. Using a free WordPress plugin called Instant Images, you can quickly add these images to your website. Simply install and activate the plugin and you'll see a new item added to the media menu called Instant Images. Clicking Settings in the upper right corner reveals image size settings for the maximum width and height and a checkbox to hide the Instant Images button. To add images directly to your media library, click Instant Images in the Media Dashboard menu. You can find images by selecting New, Popular, Oldest, or just typing in a keyword. And as you scroll, images just keep appearing, so you'll find yourself spending a lot of time in here. Once you find an image you want to add to your library, simply click the image. This automatically imports it into your media library. Alternatively, you can hover over it and click the little gear icon to find a lot of different options, including the file name, the alt text, and the caption. After changing all of these things, simply click Save, and then at that point you can now click it. It'll download the image, resize it, and add it to your media library with the changes you made. And now looking in our media library, we can see the image that we just added. And checking the details, we can see the file name is what I inputted, as well as the alt text and the caption. When making a post or page, you'll see a new button that's been added called Instant Images. It just so happens to be sitting next to the Add Media button. Once you click it, you'll see it opens a modal where you can choose an image and go through the same exact process that I just showed. And there you go. Now you know how to use Unsplash Images in WordPress with just one click. If this video helped you, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.